to those of y'all who may know who Secret is, but they do a West Coast Hip Hop Awards every year. It's in Las Vegas this year, man. That shit should be dope. Shout out to Young Wax, man, coming out, man. Appreciate you, man. And like I say, man, remember our media, we got college radio stations. Everybody come to this motherfucker every week. Make sure y'all get y'all music to them. And y'all holler at my nigga Young Age, man. We doing videos for the LO. And we networking, man. Shout out to the swing team, man. I like them niggas, man. I like the young niggas, man. Y'all alright? My young porno niggas. Fuck a nigga out with a young bitch or something, preferably 19 or something. Fuck with a real nigga one time. But like I say, man, Team Infantry, the whole squad, everybody, man. I want to thank y'all for coming out, man. Another week. Y'all make sure y'all get some chicken on the way out, because that nigga Chicken Wang up there got the best goddamn chicken going on. That nigga named Chicken Wang, he a cold nigga, man. You'll go up there and look at it, you'll see why they call him Chicken Wang. Chicken Wang in his thing. That nigga up there frying, getting down. Appreciate y'all, man. I ain't trying to kick y'all out, so shit, y'all can do whatever the fuck y'all want to do. And it's 1:35, it's still early, man. Age, what you don't want to go? Oh shit, man. Age next week then, nigga. You gonna have to perform. And I'm gonna start back battling. They want me to battle the niggas that remember me from battling. I'm finna start back this battle rap shit. I'm finna go fuck with battle the Arsenal nigga. Something like that on the East Coast, man. So I'm gonna show niggas what these bars is about.
Yo, I got one real announcement real fast. The first Sunday in June, I want to throw our first Oakland Live Festival over at the Metro. It's gonna be all ages. They already cleared us for the spot. It's already set up. First Sunday in June, we're gonna have battles, MC battle, producer battle, DJ battles, performances, all that. 2 rooms at the Metro, all ages. The first Sunday in June.
No video battle.
Nigga, you didn't even remember it, so I know they ain't gonna remember it. But thank you for the motherfucking information, DJ 12.
Yeah,
Hey. On these promotion, man, on these Facebooks, man, every Wednesday, remember, man, we all put this shit together, so let's also go hard and try to keep this shit cracking, man. This our own shit, us, for us, by us, no FUBU, but we really doing this shit, man, every motherfucking week, breaking artists, giving artists a chance, shooting videos for niggas, playing their records, getting their records on college radio. Y'all know what it is. Thank y'all for coming out. Y'all have a good night, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all get home safe, man. One love.